Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven light bulb in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Remove the oven racks as necessary. Unclip the light lens retainer and remove the lens. You can now unthread the old light bulb. When installing the new oven light bulb, be careful not to damage the bulb by over-tightening when threading it into the socket. Position the lens and secure it with the retainer. Replace any racks as required. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your electric range should be ready for use.